This is a brief tutorial on how to assemble the inside linens. The first is the soft padding that we would first lay down into the container. Then we take the oversized flat linen and place that on top of the padding. Do not worry about tucking in the sides, as the wraparound linen will cover the outside edges. The next step here is key. We take the wraparound linen and very carefully peel away the backing portion of the double-sided tape. Make sure you don't tear the tape away from the product. We also recommend peeling away just enough to do one container side at a time. Peeling the entire tape could lead to sticking together and bunching. Lastly, we take the soft padded pillow and we provide you with both blue and pink ribbons to accommodate gender appropriateness. And that's how to install the linens in